Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really neat nail polish. This is actually like a chameleon nail polish. You get 6 of them in there, but under different light, these actually like change colors. So as you kind of move it around, it will change all the different colors, like if you're in sunlight or dark or anything like that. And then whenever you put them on, like I said, you can easily just pick out a color. And I mean, you just even moving it around, you can see like that gold and red that's within this one. And then you put the light on there and you can see all of that nice metallic in there. It's super fast drying, and each one is 8 milliliters. So that is a lot to be able to use, whether you want to put it on your fingers or your toes. It's got a nice, easy thing to be able to open up. You just glide that on there. Now this would be like a really nice, like even top coat. You can put it on for a few different nails on different colors, but these are really pretty. Like this one's like a purple and blue. You can see that kind of shifting around a little bit. I mean, that is really neat. You know, like you turn it that way, you kind of see that purple, and then you see the blue going the other way. And this is all really nice. Like I said, this way that this all melts together. And then you just put that on there, and it's not a real heavy thing. I mean, my nails could use some work in general, but you get some nice nail polish to cover that up, and then it'll just kind of glisten, almost like a nice little top cover on your nails. This would be a great set to keep for yourself or give it as a gift.